In this video, I want to be showing you how to use Chatgpt to create images like this for your e-commerce brand. Now, here's a few examples of what Chatgpt actually was able to create, and they're mind-blowing. Chatgpt is revolutionizing the way that we usually set up our e-commerce brands and do our photo shoots, and now graphic designers are literally scared for their life because these are some incredible pictures. I mean, all generated through Chatgpt. And I had a little bit of fun using Chatgpt over the last 24 hours and prompting it correctly to create images just like this. There's a ton of insane images going around on Twitter that I've just pulled together. This prompt said, this is our best performing ad on Meta right now. Recreate the ad using a green pair of jeans. And you can see the ad right over here. Okay. And it went ahead and actually created an ad with a pair of jeans, and now they are green. This works for e-commerce brands, service-based businesses, you name it. So as you can see here, I was playing around with ChatGPT yesterday, and yes, this only works currently for ChatGPT Plus. So you have to subscribe for the $20 a month. But for me, that is a no-brainer, especially because this is going to save you thousands of dollars on expensive editors or photo shoots, graphic designers. It literally does everything for you. I said, I'm going to give you a few image ads from the Ridge Wallet Company, a massive e-commerce brand. And then I'm going to give you my product that I'm trying to sell and make me something similar to the actual ads that I'm giving you. So as you can see here, I gave it my actual product that I wanted to test. And as you can see, boom, just like that, it gave me an ad. Okay. Even took it a little further by asking it to create something similar to these images that I gave it. As you can see, it created this insane background for the product in a box, coming out of a box, and it gave me a bunch of different bullet points for the product. You can literally have fun with it. You can change around what you want. You can ask it to change things that you may not like. Now let's go ahead and do it together using a product that I just found that did $2 million on TikTok Shop. We're going to go ahead and take this product and make it similar to the image that you see here. So the first thing that we're going to do is select the image that we want, make sure we save that. And then we're going to go ahead and go to the second product. Then we're going to save that image. Then we're going to go into ChatGPT and we're going to start a new chat here. It's very important that you have ads as inspiration for ChatGPT to use and to recreate. This whole thing is based off templates. So if you do not feed it the correct information and the right image as inspiration, your result will not be as you like. I personally have 93 examples and templates that I give to my personal students in my mentorship program that they will be able to use for ChatGPT and to recreate for their own brand. So let's go ahead and prompt ChatGPT, and we're going to go ahead and upload the two images first. And we're going to say, let's use the super calm product image template. Take the yerba product in the super calm product image. And just like that, we're going to submit it. Now, this is what it created. As you can see, is actually crazy how it went ahead and even added the drink in the background, a bunch of different fruits in there, and some packets as well. Now, if you want, you can always say, please remove the packets, and you can be specific on exactly what you want inside your prompt. From what I'm seeing, if you try to reprompt it too much, it actually makes the performance worse. So it's best to actually create a new chat and reprompt the actual image. But that's actually crazy because another editor would take hours to create that exact image. Let's try one more example here. Say we wanted to sell this product right over here. And of course, this is just an example. You can do this for any product. The less going on in the image, the better. So this has a white background, so it makes it perfect. We're going to go ahead and press and save image. We're going to go into ChatGPT and we're going to say, please take this product photo and turn it studio like photo shoot. Okay, let's go ahead and upload the picture and let's submit it. And just like that, it has now created this into a photo shoot looking product. Added the sick background in there. It also put all the products on a table. It just looks super, super clean. Now you tell me, which one is better? This one or this one? Now, here's a really great prompt that I saw from a guy named Kid Pack on Twitter. Shout out to you. He went ahead and gave this image here to ChatGPT and then gave this image over here and said, we're going to use the popcorn ad as a template for a new ad. The new ad is for the hydrant product in the second image. He also gave the headline and the actual sub headlines that he wanted with the benefits, and it went ahead and created an amazing looking image for the hydration product. One of my students in my mentorship group created this one for a castor oil that she's selling. Here's a crazy transformation I saw someone on Twitter do, taking this bottle into this. And that is crazy. Here's another great example of a product photo shoot type of ad. And you can also tell it what color you want to make the background. So if your store is the blue color, you can say, make it a blue style background, and it will take your product and literally make it into a photo shoot. The key is to always look like a brand, and using boring photos is not the way to do it. You have to take things to the next level by creating branded photos just like this one or the ones that I just showed you inside this video. There's a ton of different templates that you can use to feed ChatGPT and to recreate it for any product you can even think of. Something you can also do is go to your competitors on the Facebook ad library, see what they're doing for image ads, or even go to their product ads and tell ChatGPT to recreate it for your product you're trying to sell. I look forward to seeing all the amazing images you create using these prompts. Hit that subscribe button for more updates to come, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.